Everybody, this is a Golf Mark 1 cabriolet, model of 1979. We got 94,808 on the scale, and what happened is when I swapped the engine to a newer one, well, basically what happened is that my apparently rockers are a bit noisy. Okay, so what we're trying to do now before changing the lifters is using the liquid moly hydraulic lifter additive for noisy lifters. So let's see, the reason I told you how many kilometers I got is to see how long does it take to affect, or how long it should take to affect my lifters. So let's see what happened here. That this is our engine, and number 4 cylinder is the problem one, and hopefully this will arrange a few stuff again. So tune in. Okay.